Maybe just to start this one off, what are the current project prices and their locations, Adrian?
Okay. We recently launched Robin Residence in Nigeria and Falcon Residence, both in Nigeria. It's also in Nigeria. And the one bedroom is going for 90 million. The two bedroom is 165 million. And the three bedroom is 199 million.
Okay.
The projects have something new within them, some very good amenities that are different from the rest of the projects that we have had.
Okay.
It has a swimming pool, a gym, steam and sauna bath. There will be security, the rooftop casino.
There is sauna. Okay,
yes,
okay.
It does.
All right, so I'm hearing 90 million and more money. How long, what is the time span that somebody has to actually make a full payment of all this money?
Okay. We give you a payment period of 2 years to finish that. We give you a payment period of 2 years.
Yes, 2 years to make your complete payment.
Yes, please.
Okay. And Lawrence, maybe if you could help us out on this one, give us more knowledge about, mortgage financing, because we hear about mortgages in movies, people talk about them, but we don't know much about them. So maybe more insights on that would help.
Yeah, basically mortgage is part of the housing arrangement that the bank has, but in short, is this kind of medium or long-term financing in housing, so that someone can acquire a house or a commercial building.
Okay. All right. And maybe also tell us about the ongoing NSSF scheme.
At the bank, we thought it wise that most of people who are saving with NSSF, they are going to access their midterm, 20% midterm financing. And we see that in order for them to see that they invest wisely in after accessing that facility, that money, is the only safer way of investing is in real estate, and the best company to deal with is Universal. My purpose. We've seen that most of our clients or people in our country, they failed to invest wisely, and there are many people who are waiting for that money to swindle it
and squander it.
Yeah. So what we are advising clients, come in touch with us. So we shall direct you to the suitable people to see that you invest your money wisely. That's why we are here, to share with you this offer of from my purpose of getting condominium apartment, and so that you have, even those ones who have been renting, this is the high time that you think about avoiding saving on your money by acquiring an apartment of your own. You see, in most cases, we think that we are comfortable where we are renting, but you are dishing your money into an empty basket, whereby however much you pay for that house, you will never own it. But the only better way to see that you see your money where it has gone is by you acquiring an apartment. And this, you see that the money you've been wasting or you've been paying for rent, you are just paying it maybe when you get a facility for Centenary Bank as a mortgage, and that money will be able to cater for that installment you are paying.
Okay. Now, Lawrence, briefly, how does, for somebody who wants to take advantage of this, how do they, qualify for this NSSF scheme with Universal and Centenary Bank?
First and foremost, if you have an account with Centenary Bank, and you've already got your facility. We know most of the people who are going to access, they have not reached the retirement age. It's just an access which you are going to get on 20% of it. So you still have more years to go. And we are saying that if you have an account with Centenary Bank and you need the money, the 20% is not sufficient enough for you to buy an apartment apartment from Universal, we are here to top up that facility, that amount, so that you acquire. He has mentioned about the pricing of those apartments. They are suitable for most of us, and that is the way to go. We are seeing land these days is becoming scarce, and to avoid also the issue to do with the fraudulent land transaction, you are better off dealing with a reputable company like Universal to acquire this apartments or house for your to accommodate your family. And also, if you feel that you are not comfortable staying there, you can rent it out and generate more income as a side source of income for yourself.
Okay. And what does one actually exactly need to be able to qualify for, the mortgage financing with universal affordable housing? What are some of the things that we need to look at?
Thank you, moderator. First and foremost, I mentioned you have to have an account to Centenary Bank. You get a quotation or an offer from Universal, my purpose. And that's what we look at and assess the amount. And also you need to have a variable source of income so that you can ably acquire. We know everyone who is who has a reliable source of income can qualify.
Okay. All right. Now, thank you so much for those. But also, maybe what is the mortgage rate Centenary Bank is giving to the universal clients, who want to acquire a condominium property?
Great. Basically, as a bank, Centenary Bank, we are so flexible enough, and we are looking at our rates from 15% to 19%, depending on one's capacity. That's the range we give, 15% to 19% per annum, and it's on a reducing balance principle.
Okay. And when would the first, mortgage payment be expected? Like, even is there a grace period that is given before payments are, expected to be remitted?
For payments, normally our payments are structured in a way to suit someone's source of income.
Yes.
Someone who's earning a salary, we can give that person a monthly payment. Say those who are receiving their quarterly payments. We have many clients who receive payments on quarterly basis. We schedule their payment on quarterly basis.
Okay. Now, Adrian, this mortgage financing, is it extended, to all the universal projects?
Yes, please. It's extended to all our universal projects, all of them.
There is none that is excluded.
There is none that is excluded. That is why we came with Lawrence from Centenary, so that you get assurance that indeed the mortgage facility is extended to everyone.
Okay. So as we come to the end of this, Lawrence, what if a client actually wants a home loan, instead of a mortgage? Is it fine? Is it accessible to them? And how do they even go about it?
Basically, for home loans, it's not so different from a mortgage. But what entails in home loan is basically it is on a short-term basis. Short-term means like maybe up to 1 year to 3 years. Okay. That is short-term. But for mortgage, it goes up to 10 years. So that's where the difference is. And you see, normally for home loans, we look at the low-end clients, and for mortgage, we are looking at high-end clients. So we cater for every category of clients that we have and we serve in the market.
All right, thank you so much for those insights, Lawrence. Adrian, maybe just some of your closing remarks.
I know this has not been ample time for some of our listeners. They have some questions. They want to come and take a look at the projects. So for further information, please call us on 075-7878-443. You can reach us on our website, www.affordablehousing.ug. You can also get us on our Facebook page, Affordable Housing Uganda.
All right, thank you so much, Adrian. Lawrence, any closing remarks?
To our listeners, as you've heard from Adrian from Universal, I encourage your clients that we as a bank, as Centenary Bank, we are here to serve all Ugandans in their own capacity. We don't segregate. We look at small people from those who are in the market and up to the high-end clients. So come and acquire your property today so that you don't regret in the future. Come to Universal, come to Centenary for loans and you get your apartment.
All right, thank you so much, Lawrence and Adrian. And you out there, clearly, you are going to access your savings, some of your savings from NSSF. Just don't squander them anywhere. Make an investment where you look at it like, okay, this, I did something with that money. Right now, I know the excitement is all over the place, but please least you cannot afford to let it take over you. Thank you once again, Adrian and Lawrence, for stopping by. Well, we're still happening with the lounge right here on today's Best Music 80.2 Sound. For more music coming up for you, coming in from French Montana, pretty much no